Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.12 trillion. We are up 2.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 38%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are finally starting to see some green across the board, some relief in the markets after a continuous bloodbath across the board. We are seeing some altcoins up double digits, such as Near, along with Phantom. But the overall market is indeed looking good. But again, guys, nothing to get super excited about, if I am honestly speaking with you guys, because we still need to hit specific price targets for the price of Bitcoin in order for us to, really say, hey, the bottom is in or not. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is Solana. Alright, my Solana family, if we are looking at the Solana price, you guys can see Solana is currently trading at $140.39. We are up 2.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Solana's overall ranking on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top 6th spot. We have seen Solana drop down in the ranking from top 5th spot down to the 6th spot, so that's something to note. Market cap right now is $43.7 billion and the 24-hour trading volume is at $1.38 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 4,400%. Let's not forget that. By far, Solana is one of the best performing assets if we are looking at the broader picture over the last 12 months. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices for Solana. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff. What's going on with Solana price and where could we be going in the immediate short term? That's what everyone wants to know. So you know what? Let's waste no more time and get right into that. As you guys can see, as I have mentioned, Solana is still, trading at $140. And as you guys can see, we have seen Solana over the past, week or so. We have seen a drop for the first time ever. For the first time ever since, let's go back all the way to back in September 29th was the last time Solana was trading around the $130 mark, where we saw Solana come and literally touch right at this level of support at this point, 50 Fibonacci retracement level. We've seen this level of support play out very importantly for the price of Solana, and obviously that's something we love seeing because this there is quite a bit of support built up around here, and we did see that play as a level of support for us, and we have seen a bounce back since then from that $132 mark up to that $140. And now comes the question, what's going on? Do we have more continuous downwards trend occurring? Could we revisit these prices, guys, the $110 mark? Excuse me. Could we visit those prices, or was this the bottom and markets are indeed headed towards the upside? That's what everyone wants to know right now. So let's look at all the scenarios and come up with the most likelihood scenario, because at the end of the day, guys, you guys know what we base off our predictions off of. We need to look at one of the most important indicator in the cryptocurrency markets, and that is Bitcoin. This is the guy that needs to be looked at on a daily basis because everything is correlated with the price of Bitcoin, so we cannot forget the price of Bitcoin when we are looking at any altcoin. So if we are looking at Solana, first off, you guys can see one thing that kind of disappointed me was the fact that we did not see this $150 level support play out for us. We saw the bears take advantage, and we literally saw the price of Solana break below this level of support. Last time around, you guys can see we were supported by here back on December 14th when we saw Bitcoin initially have its price correction. We saw this level of support play out for us, and then we had a nice upwards rally towards back into the 23.6, just had a wick towards then, and then we did see the Bitcoin price fall once again. Obviously, Solana, reacted to that, and we have seen it drop below this time around from that level of support at $150.86. So now comes the question: What is going on? Are we going below the 0.50 for the first time ever and revisiting these prices that we have not seen since September 1st? Or is this the zone where we're going to stay at and we are about to bounce back towards the upside? So let's look at Bitcoin for very, very quickly. So as you guys can see, I'm sorry guys, I do have a little cough, so please excuse that. I'm trying to bring you guys an update on it, regardless if I have a cough or not. I love you all, and your support means the world to me. So if we are looking at the Bitcoin price right now, guys, you guys can see I had been talking about this for quite a while. If you guys are a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know exactly what I've been saying around here. We saw Bitcoin, guys, trade sideways within this range, touch this level of support at that $46,212 mark quite sometimes, and then we saw this upwards rally towards the upside. Everyone got excited, but this was a clear fake out. And look, guys, it did not go above our confirmation level. It literally touched our confirmation level, but was unable to break out of it and clear fake out towards towards the top. We saw the bears come in. We saw the price of Bitcoin bounce around this $46,000 mark quite a bit, and boom, just a couple days back, we did see the bears take advantage, and you saw the price of Bitcoin fall below, 46,000, and we went even below this level of support at that $43,400 mark. We did create a double bottom, and as we are recording this video, guys, we're literally trading right where we were, where the initial bottom occurred back on December 4th. But now comes a question that everyone wants to know: is this the bottom? Guess what, guys? No one knows. No one knows if this is the bottom. That's why we have confirmations here in place in order to see, hey, whether the bottom has been reached or not. Me personally, I'm not convinced until we break out of that $52,230 level. That is still quite a bit ways. And right now we are below this level of resistance at this $43,400 mark. I would like for the price of Solana to break out of there and stay above there at all costs. Most importantly, at that $46,000 mark, guys. That's the sweet spot where we should see the price of Bitcoin. I'm sorry, not Solana. Bitcoin should be trading at below this level. Above this level of support at that $46,000 mark. That's the safe zone. Until then, guys, we are definitely not out of the woods just yet. And if this is a fake out, we will find out in the next coming hours or so. If this is a fake out, then we are still not out of the woods to revisit the price back down at that $36,600 mark, because that's that next level of support for the price of Bitcoin. So obviously that factor does plan out and show what is going to happen with the price of Solana in the future. So if Bitcoin does break below and starts heading back below this $39,000 mark, and we revisit 36K, then definitely you could see a Solana price visit back down to these lows that we have not seen since September 1st of 2021, which was last year. So I'm not saying this is a definite possibility of it occurring, but if you were asking yourself a question, oh man, I wish I was buying up Solana around here when it was pumping like crazy, hitting all-time highs after all-time highs, and you believe in the Solana's vision, you believe that it is the next Ethereum, you have done your due diligence and research, and you have some money that you can afford to lose, now might be the time to dollar cost average in when the markets do cool off, rather than buying, pumps after pumps. So, if I were you guys and you guys wanted to dollar cost average in, I would be placing buy orders just in case here. But again, this is not 100% guarantee that we will revisit these prices. So that's something that we need to keep in mind. BTC dominance, on the other hand, did see a spike towards the upside. Obviously, should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us, because we do see money flow back into Bitcoin from altcoins once markets really do shake off, because Bitcoin does tend to hold more strongly compared to altcoins. But going on staking rewards, guys, I'm going to show you something very, very interesting that a lot of people tend to ignore when prices go towards the downside, when there's a lot of fear across the board. You look at the staking reward, guys. The staking value, 77% of the circulation supply is still staked right now. Let me repeat that again. 77% of the circulation supply for Solana is still being staked right now. Doesn't matter if the price has gone down 40, 35% from all-time highs. People don't care about that. People are here, institutions are here. They are scooping up Solana while it's cheap because they see where Solana is going in the next coming 2 to 3 to 5 to 10 years. It is by far one of the biggest, if not the one of the two biggest Ethereum competitors I have ever seen since I've been in the crypto space. And now you guys know, on top of that, NFT space has been booming through the roof. And guess what? We're seeing a lot of creators, NFT creators, do. Guess where they're developing? They're launching their NFTs on the Solana blockchain. Guess why? Because it's way cheaper to do that. Meanwhile, Ethereum, you guys already know, the ecosystem is absolutely congested. We still have not received ETH 2.0 that we've been waiting for over 2 years now, guys. So Solana is really a big contender out there to really take over Ethereum, and we're starting to see that happen, guys. And long-term perspective, if Solana keeps delivering what they're doing, sky's the limit for this project. Obviously, we are going to see price action go towards the downside, volatility occur within the markets if Bitcoin takes toll. But again, long-term perspective, guys, should not be ignored. So if you're in for the long haul, guys, and you're dollar cost averaging into Solana, you might want to stake your Solana and earn passive income over time, because it compounds and becomes larger as time goes by. So that's something you should definitely check out. But overall, guys, you guys already know my stance on Solana. I'm very bullish on this project, but personally, I would like for it to be above the $150 mark, and then we will go from there. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and what are you guys doing right now. Are you guys scooping up more Solana, staking? What is your strategy, and where could you see Solana price go at the end of Q1? But that is it for today's update, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go follow me on Twitter, guys. That would mean the absolute world for me. Go follow me on Twitter. Link in the description box below. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers, and I'm really trying to get my Twitter, to start popping off. So go follow me, and we might have some future giveaways on there as well. I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.